Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another skincare video, but we're talking about a category of skincare that I really enjoy. I really enjoy talking about. I really enjoy pursuing. I enjoy every part of it. It is literally like my therapeutic product and therapeutic like skincare routine that I have, but it is my lip care routine. So this started literally years ago when I first got into like lip care. I started with chapstick. Like I started a fixation on like chapsticks. I loved putting on chapsticks. It was super therapeutic. I love trying different forms of chapstick, and then that slowly led into lip gloss and lip exfoliants and lip everything. And now we're here with lip gloss, lip oil, chapstick, lip scrubs, you can name it. But today I'm going to be showing you guys what I do, what I enjoy, what products I've liked, what products have worked for me. I can happily say that I haven't had chapped lips in years now. And that's probably shocking to hear. I have dry skin. I literally always have dry skin. But chapped lips is something that you'll never catch me with. So now I'm going to give you guys my tips and my tricks on how to do this for yourself. So let's start with the basics, exfoliating. So not many people exfoliate, not many people know about exfoliating, but let me put you guys on. This is the lip scrub that I use once a week. It is the Bliss Fabulous Lips Lip and Sugar Scrub. Let me kind of focus it on the camera. This is kind of like a lip scrub and polish. It leaves my lips super soft after. It has like a little bit of like a moisture cream in there, whereas other exfoliants I've experienced kind of leave my skin a little dry, where this one will leave the moisture on your lips after. And everyone that I have put onto this lip scrub have also enjoyed it. This is one of my favorite products to keep my lips from getting chaps. Next is moisture. When it comes to putting moisture back into my lips, I love using Burt's Bees. I've used many chapsticks. You guys can literally like name a brand and I probably tried it, but Burt's Bees is the one that sticks with me. I love the way it leaves like a nice lather of like a little shine to it and feels very smooth and creamy. Here are some of the Burt's Bees I have. Literally all the Burt's Bees are just bomb. Here I have the cooling one as well as some vanilla ones. Love these. Love the way they feel. These are my favorite chapsticks. But now let's get on to like a lip mask I kind of use. This is also a lip balm, but I kind of use it as a lip mask. It is the Papaya and Vitamin C Brighter Days Ahead lip balm from Shea Moisture. Here it is. This product feels a little more, it has like a little more of a texture to it. So I like using it as a mask. I do feel like this works and feels super nice and smells really nice as well. It has a nice little applicator, and I always just like put it on at like night, or if I'm starting my day off with some skincare, I love to start it off with this. Yeah, it has like a little bit of like a grainy texture to it because it does have like I believe it's the papaya seeds that add that, which still super cute, works super well. You guys should definitely try this product out. Okay, now let's move on to like sealants. What I put over my moisture and what I put over my chapstick is, and also just what I use at night to seal my moisture into my lips, is the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. This lip balm is super good. I love the way it feels. It also has a little bit of a pink tint to it if you guys are into that. They do have like the non-tinted ones as well. It is a thicker, more of a like sealant feeling lip balm. But next to this product, another sealant I also like using for my lips is Vaseline. Vaseline is, as anyone knows, everyone knows Vaseline, but this is also like a good little sealant that I like to use to lock in my moisture as like a top layer overnight or like whenever. I love the way it feels. If you guys have ever tried Vaseline, you know it's a little bit more of an oily one, whereas the Ride or Die Lip Balm is kind of more like a stuck, like a one and done, like it sticks there and it's kind of harder to get on other things, but the Vaseline still does work very, very well. And next is lip oil. As you guys can tell, these lip oils are demolished. To say the least. These are some of my favorite lip oils. They're the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oils. They smell great. They feel great. They feel moisturizing and also just give you that like kind of lip glossy finish. I'm wearing it right now actually. And it gives you like a lip glossy finish while also hydrating your lips, which I love. This is my everyday like kind of lip gloss that I use. And now going on to my going out lip glosses, what I use to keep my lips looking nice and like glossy when I go out. This is less of like a hydrating product, more of like a makeup cosmetic look, which is the lip gloss. I use this Essence one. As you guys can tell, these are all very used. I'm not hiding it. I'm not gonna come on and like clean them up for you guys. You guys need to know that I use these and I stand by these. But here is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Lip Gloss. They also have other lip glosses. I've noticed that all of e.l.f.'s lip glosses are super good in all of e.l.f.'s lip products. So I definitely feel like you could just pick up any lip gloss because I don't think they have this Jelly Pop one anymore. And it'll still be good because I also love the little clear one as well. But then I also use the Essence lip gloss. These are my two favorite drugstore lip glosses. I love them for going out. They look amazing. They smell amazing. They look amazing and just give you that perfect little shine and make your lips look super hydrating. But yeah, you guys, that is it for my lip care routine. These are all the products that I use and that I swear by. If you guys do use any of these products or you have any recommendations yourself, make sure to leave it in the comments and leave your own advice and experiences down below. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty, skincare, lifestyle, fashion videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.